Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method on your ChatGPT account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To change your payment method, head to your account and click on this profile icon, and from here you should see settings. Under settings, now you will see details about your account. Head to account option here. From account, scroll down until you see payment. Next to it is manage option. Click on manage and you'll be redirected to your billing page where you can make some changes as you wish. And among the changes you can do is to change your payment method. So from here, you can add a new payment method by just clicking on add payment and then enter your payment details here. Among them, your card number, expiry date, and then the security code, country, among others. So here you can choose either to use Visa, MasterCard, or Discovery. Now, once you are done, click on add. So for my case, I don't have a new payment method that I wish to add. But once you are done, now you can go back. And here you can now remove the previous payment method that you had. Or simply, you can make your new payment method to be the primary option. Once you are done, now you can head back to your ChatGPT account by just clicking on return to OpenAI. And now you will be on your ChatGPT homepage. So that's how you can change your payment method in ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.